Okay, so hear me out. Halloween, but no costume. I got you, bro. I got you. You know we get money, right?
Lisa Dan, yeah, Lisa Dan, yo. Ay, Lisa Dan, yeah, Lisa Dan, yo. Ay, Lisa Dan, yeah, Lisa Dan, yo. It's Lisa Dan, yo. Something like that.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and welcome back to my channel. You're already here, so you know what to do. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video or whatever. So today's DIY is like mad easy, and it's definitely for those people who are like, I don't really do costumes, or I don't know what to be, but you still want to be festive. This is for you. So this is my take on a Bleached t-shirt Halloween edition. Ooh. Everything in this DIY came straight from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the t-shirt. So apparently Dollar Tree does not carry t-shirts anymore. Like, I don't know what's up with that. So I did go to Michael's, got the $3 t-shirt. So all you need are your Dollar Tree decorations, a t-shirt, and some bleach. So if you want to see how I did these Halloween inspired bleach t-shirts, then stay tuned. So I picked up a few Halloween decorations from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to use as stencils. I have this boo sign, which was really cute. I also got this wooden witch. And then I also got a jack-o'-lantern garland. And of course, then I went to Michael's and I got 3 t-shirts. First thing you're going to want to do is cut that garland apart. We're going to use these jack-o'-lanterns to make like a print on our shirt. We don't want these holes, so we're just going to take some tape to cover up the holes. Otherwise, they're going to show up on our t-shirt, and we don't want that. Then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to cut out the face, the mouth, the nose, the eyes, so that our jack-o'-lantern will show through on our t-shirt. Otherwise, it's just going to look like a circle pumpkin outline, and we want to make sure that we can actually see that it has a face. So after I do that, I'm just gonna go outside and I'm gonna place my decorations where I want them. And then I'm gonna take a spray bottle of half water, half bleach, and just spray. It's really that simple. And you can see it's already starting to turn. These came out super dope. You can watch my other bleach t-shirt DIY to see different techniques you can use, like the stream method or the spray method. And then once you're done, you just lift them up, pop them in the washing machine, and you are good to go. Super easy.